Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to make this mouth-watering Cajun style chicken wings recipe. This recipe is very delicious. It's definitely a keeper, so if you guys would like to see more of how I make this recipe, keep on watching. So to get this recipe started, we're going to add all of our ingredients into a small size bowl. So we're going to add our dry oregano. We're going to go in with dry thyme leaves. Next, we're going to add our Italian seasoning, which is optional for this recipe, paprika seasoning, and our cayenne pepper. To add more flavor to this recipe, we're going to add our garlic powder, onion powder, fine sea salt, and ground black pepper. Now we are going to mix to combine those flavorful ingredients. To continue with this recipe, we are going to get our chicken wings ready. So I am using 2 pounds of chicken wings, which is right here. It's nice and clean. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil onto the chicken. Mix very well. Now is the perfect time to add our flavorful ingredients onto our chicken wings. Mix very well to combine the seasoning onto the chicken, just like that. Now we're going to add the remainder of the seasoning onto these beautiful chicken wings. We're going to mix very well again. Now we are going to add our hot sauce for extra heat. Mix very well. And that looks absolutely beautiful. Now is the perfect time to get our baking rack ready. So we're going to place our chicken wings on the baking rack just like that. Leave some space in between the chicken wings. In the meantime, we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking for 40 to 45 minutes, this is what these beautiful chicken wings looks like. Came out so delicious. The spice was just right and it was nice and flavorful. As you guys can see, this has that nice brown color. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Thank you guys so much. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.